One of the things I love about James Hardie siding is that you get to play around with a lot of different profiles and textures for your home. Not only does James Hardie look very authentic, and what I mean by authentic is more of the classic wood type appearance, which I think most of us, we love the look of the historical homes. It's just the upkeep and the maintenance is so challenging on it. So I know in St. Louis, given the harsh weather conditions we get throughout the year, throughout the 80s and 90s, vinyl siding became a popular thing. A lot of that had to do with low cost, right? So it was to keep cost of building down. They went to vinyl. But at the end of the day, it's really hard to make vinyl look rich and elegant, as well as customization. So with James Hardie, a lot of our clients, it's getting more and more rare that we're just doing horizontal plank, traditional lap siding on the home. A lot of our clients are choosing board and batten or the James Hardie shake products, which looks very authentic to the classic shake that you would have seen 50, 60 years ago. Using those in specific design areas. That's also part of why we bring in our high resolution design renderings, because I know for some people, it can be really hard to visualize it just looking at the front of your house or even looking at Pinterest. So we utilize that technology to create these design renderings of using those different textures and profiles like board and batten, shake, lap siding on various parts of your home, so that we can give your home a truly custom look that helps it stand out from the crowd. It becomes the rock star of the neighborhood. And it's really fun because I think that's what blows away people the most is when they go from having, at least in St. Louis, a lot of the homes kind of look the same. And so to really be able to create that custom look, like you had a custom builder come in and do it like it was meant to be as well. And like that we didn't try to overforce the design on the house. So I always have a lot of fun with that, where we start to look to use James Hardie's board and batten, which is super popular, along with either straight shake or staggered shake, and then the classic 7-inch reveal lap siding on the home as well.